Hey, what's up everybody? It's a basic here, and in this video, we're diving deep into the world of side hustles. Specifically, we're looking at the best side hustles you can start today with no money out of your pocket. That's right, you don't need to invest a single dollar to get these businesses up and running. Look, times are tough right now. Inflation is still ridiculously high, and a lot of people are feeling the pinch. But that doesn't mean you have to sit back and accept it. There are more ways than ever before to take control of your finances and start building a better future for yourself. And the best part is, you don't need to quit your job or anything crazy like that. All you need is a little bit of hustle and the right information. And that's where this video comes in. We're going to break down everything you need to know to get started with 3 amazing side hustles: freelancing, dropshipping, and digital marketing. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to be sharing some extra tips and resources that will help you succeed. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, let's get started. First up, let's talk about freelancing. Now, freelancing is awesome because it allows you to be your own boss and set your own hours. You have the freedom to decide when and where you work, which can be incredibly liberating. You can work from anywhere in the world and you can choose the projects you want to work on. This flexibility is one of the biggest perks of freelancing. But the best part is you probably already have skills that you can freelance with. You might not even realize how valuable your skills are. Think about it. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? What do people always ask you for help with? These are clues to the skills you can monetize. If you're good at writing, you could be a freelance writer. There are countless opportunities for writers online. If you're good at design, you could be a freelance graphic designer. Businesses always need creative visuals. If you're good at coding, you could be a freelance web developer. The tech industry is booming with opportunities. The possibilities are literally endless. There are so many niches you can explore. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Graham, I don't have any experience. Why would anyone hire me? And that's a valid concern, but here's the thing. There are tons of people out there who are just starting out and looking for affordable help. Everyone starts somewhere, and that's where you come in. You can offer your services at competitive rates. You don't need years of experience to get started. You just need to be willing to learn and grow. You just need to be able to demonstrate your skills and be willing to work hard. Showcasing your work is key, and the best way to do that is to build up a portfolio of your work. This will be your professional showcase. You can do this by offering your services for free or at a discounted rate to friends, family, or even local businesses. This helps you gain experience and testimonials. Once you have a few projects under your belt, you can start charging more and attracting higher-paying clients. Your reputation will grow. One of the easiest ways to find freelance work is through online platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These platforms are a goldmine for freelancers. These platforms connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. You can reach a global audience. You can create a profile, showcase your skills, and browse through thousands of job postings. It's a great way to get started. And the best part is, it's completely free to sign up and start bidding on projects. There's no barrier to entry. Another great way to find freelance work is through networking. Personal connections can lead to great opportunities. Talk to your friends, family, and former colleagues and let them know that you're freelancing. Word of mouth is powerful. You never know who might need your services or who might know someone who does. Opportunities can come from unexpected places. You can also join online communities and forums related to your skills and connect with potential clients there. These communities are great for networking. Remember, the key to success in freelancing is to be persistent and to always be learning and improving your skills. Never stop growing. The more you learn, the more valuable your services will become, and the more money you'll be able to make. Invest in yourself and your skills. Next up, let's talk about dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is one of my favorite side hustles because it's a real business that you can start with very little upfront investment. Basically, dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store using a platform like Shopify. Then you find a dropshipping supplier who has the products you want to sell. You list those products on your store at a markup. When a customer places an order on your store, you simply forward the order to your dropshipping supplier, and they ship the product directly to the customer. The best part is, you never have to touch the product or deal with any of the shipping logistics. Your dropshipping supplier handles all of that for you. And because you're not holding any inventory, you don't have to worry about things like storage costs, damaged goods, or unsold inventory. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Graham, if I'm not holding any inventory, how do I make any money? And that's a great question. You make money by selling the products at a markup. So let's say you find a product from your dropshipping supplier for $10. You could then list that product on your store for $20. When a customer buys the product from you, you would pay your dropshipping supplier $10, and you would keep the remaining $10 as profit. Of course, there are other costs involved in running a dropshipping business, such as marketing and advertising costs. But the beauty of dropshipping is that your overhead costs are very low, which means that you can start making a profit with a relatively small number of sales. One of the best platforms for finding dropshipping suppliers is Oberlo. Oberlo is a dropshipping app that integrates with Shopify and allows you to find and import products from thousands of suppliers with just a few clicks. You can then start selling those products on your Shopify store right away. Another great thing about dropshipping is that it's a very scalable business model. Once you have a successful dropshipping store, you can easily scale your business by adding more products, expanding into new markets, or even hiring virtual assistants to help you with the day-to-day operations of your business. The flexibility and low risk make dropshipping an attractive option for many aspiring entrepreneurs. You can test different products and niches without a significant financial commitment. And when you find a winning product, you can focus on scaling that success, ensuring a steady stream of income. Chapter 3. Digital marketing. Help businesses win online and make bank doing it. Finally, let's talk about digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skills in the world right now. And for good reason. Every business needs digital marketing to reach their target audience online. But here's the thing, most small businesses don't have the time or the resources to do their own digital marketing. And that's where you come in. If you can learn the basics of digital marketing, you can start offering your services to small businesses and help them get more customers and grow their businesses. And the best part is, you don't need a fancy degree or any prior experience to get started. There are tons of free resources available online that can teach you everything you need to know. One of the best ways to learn digital marketing is to just dive in and start experimenting. Create a social media account for a fictional business or for yourself and start practicing different digital marketing strategies. See what works and what doesn't. Track your progress and make adjustments as needed. The more you experiment, the more you'll learn. Each campaign you run will teach you something new. Once you have a basic understanding of digital marketing, you can start offering your services to small businesses. You can find small businesses to work with by networking with people you know, searching online directories, or even just walking into local businesses and introducing yourself. When you're first starting out, you'll probably want to offer your services at a discounted rate to build up your portfolio and get some testimonials. But as you gain more experience and get more results for your clients, you can start charging more for your services. There are a ton of different digital marketing services that you can offer, but some of the most popular include social media management. This involves creating and managing social media accounts for businesses, creating and posting engaging content, and running social media ads. Search engine optimization, or SEO. This involves optimizing websites for search engines like Google so that they rank higher in search results and get more organic traffic. Pay-per-click, or PPC advertising. This involves creating and managing paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Google AdWords and Facebook ads. Email marketing. This involves building an email list and sending out targeted email campaigns to promote products or services. Content marketing. This involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a clearly defined audience. The best part about digital marketing is that it's a skill that you can use to build a successful business of your own. Once you have a solid understanding of digital marketing, you can use those skills to launch your own online business or to promote your own products and services. The possibilities are endless and the potential for growth is immense. So there you have it. 3 incredible side hustles that you can start today with no money and start building a brighter financial future for yourself. Remember, the key to success with any side hustle is to be persistent and to never give up on your dreams. If you're serious about making extra money, I encourage you to pick one of these side hustles and start taking action today. Don't let fear or procrastination hold you back. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And be sure to let me know in the comments below which side hustle you're most excited to start. Until next time, take care and stay hustling.